Good day, Dr. and my fellow friends. We are from Group 12 and we would like to present about the Pharmaniaga Manufacturing Company. In addition, our team consists of 5 members. The first is me. My name is Anur Syabila Salma. The second is Khairunisa Gina Putri. The third is Aulia Nadira Faradiska. The fourth is Yo Wei Lang. And the last is Randir Singh Butar. Back to me again, I would like to present about the profile of the Pharmaniaga. Pharmaniaga Berhad, or often known as Pharmaniaga, is a member of the Bausted Group, is an investment holding company. Pharmaniaga was established in the year 1994 and has grown to become one of Malaysia's largest listed integrated pharmaceutical firms. This company is engaged in logistics and distribution for the manufacture of generic drugs, sales, marketing, and distribution of health products and hospitals equipment. In Malaysia and Indonesia, Pharmaniaga also operates throughout the region. Pharmaniaga's head office is in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. Pharmaniaga aims to be the leading Malaysian pharmaceutical firm led by its philosophy of do it right always and empowered by its slogan of patient for patients. Thank you.
Next is issue that appear in Pharmaniaga company. First is monopoly. Pharmaniaga were involved in a 100% monopoly, which can result in unfair commercial terms. The second is bankruptcy or practice note 17. A company is listed as PM17 when its shareholder fund falls to 25% compared to the previous year. The third is material uncertainty. Independent auditor PwC has stated that Pharmaniaga experiences material uncertainty regarding its ability to maintain its business continuity. The next is unsold vaccine. Pharmaniaga confirmed by unsold COVID-19 vaccination worth hundreds of millions of ringgit stored in their warehouse. And the last is payment delay to supplier because Pharmaniaga practiced not 17 classification and the government decision to end its over-reliance on Pharmaniaga. Thank you. That's all from me.
I will continue the presentation on the SWOT or strength and diversification for the portfolios, government support and partnership, growing involvement in pharmaceuticals industry, good product qualities, and also brand recognitions. For the weaknesses, we got a high operational cost, reliant on the generic drugs, past financial difficulties, limited international preferences, and also low investments. For the opportunity, we got expanding into new markets, increasing focus on pharmaceuticals, leveraging partnership and corporations, technology and equipment development, diversification of new products. For the threat, we got a competition from the larger international pharmaceutical companies, regulatory change in the industries, demand change, economic slowdowns, and also supply chain distributions. This of my part.
Now I will be continuing with those analysis. So let's begin with strengths, opportunities. There are 4 strengths that can be further strengthened by exploiting the 4 opportunities. Strength number 1, which is a diversified product portfolio, can be exploited by expanding into new markets. Pharmaniaga's expansion into unexplored markets and diversification of its product portfolio offer the potential for substantial revenue growth and increased market share. Through diversification, Pharmaniaga will be able to reduce its reliance on the Malaysian market, which will in turn strengthen the group's resilience in the face of economic fluctuations or regulatory shifts in the Malaysian market. Strength number 2, government support and partnerships can be exploited by increasing focus on biopharmaceuticals. So Pharmaniaga is strategically positioned with robust government alliances and industry partnerships to capitalize on the growing biopharmaceutical market. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought attention to how dependent the world is on essential biopharmaceuticals, and Pharmaniaga can take advantage of these advantages to establish a market niche. Now, strength number 3, which is on growing involvement in biopharmaceuticals, can be exploited by the opportunity, leveraging partnerships and collaborations. Pharmaniaga can enhance its presence in the rapidly growing biopharmaceutical market by utilizing its current partnerships and exploring new ones, such as the collaboration with CSPC. This will enable Pharmaniaga to acquire advanced technologies and expertise in this field. This accelerates their biopharmaceutical development, placing them in a more advantageous position to generate profits. Strength number 4, which is on good product quality, can be exploited by technology and equipment development. Pharmaniaga's steadfast dedication to quality, fostered by its mission statement and committed workforce, is a perfect fit with the exciting opportunities that technology and equipment development present. This intersection provides a tactical way to improve the caliber of the product. The key to unlocking this synergy is to upgrade production technology and equipment. Now, let us move on to the weaknesses, opportunities. All the listed weaknesses can be aligned with opportunities. Weakness number 1, which is high operation cost, can be aligned with technology and equipment development. Purchasing contemporary machinery and technology can revolutionize an industry by increasing output and streamlining processes. By reducing manual labor and increasing output while using the same resources, automation effectively mitigates the negative effects of expensive inputs. Weaknesses number 2. Reliance on generic drugs can be aligned with increasing focus on biopharmaceuticals. Pharmaniaga may be able to reduce its reliance on generic medications with narrower profit margins by making significant investments in biopharmaceuticals. Biopharmaceuticals distinguish themselves from generics by being more focused and meeting unmet medical needs. The transition to higher margin goods has the potential to greatly increase financial stability and, of course, profitability. Weakness number 3. Past financial difficulties can be addressed by leveraging partnerships and collaborations. For financial recovery, forming partnerships with reputable investors or financial institutions can open up access to capital and knowledge. When it comes to cost optimization, the team should take advantage of economies of scale to bargain with vendors and suppliers for better terms, which will further optimize procurement costs and guarantee value for money. By doing this, Pharmaniaga will be able to overcome its previous financial challenges and lay the groundwork for long-term steady growth. Weaknesses number 4. Limited international presence can be aligned with expanding into new markets. The present concentration of Pharmaniaga in Malaysia offers a challenge as well as an exciting opportunity. Pharmaniaga can actually customize products and marketing strategies for new regions by utilizing its extensive understanding of Southeast Asia. This allows them to address specific disease burdens or cultural preferences. The most promising opportunities are found in markets with substantial unmet medical needs and government policies that encourage foreign investment. Weaknesses number 5. Low investment can be aligned with diversification of new product. Due to its recent financial difficulties, which included a sizable net loss in Q4 of 2022, Pharmaniaga has lost the trust of investors and has had difficulty obtaining new funding. Well, by utilizing their wealth of knowledge and developed skills gathered since 1994, Pharmaniaga is able to enter new markets for innovative antiviral drugs. The advent of viruses such as Alpha, Beta, and Delta is a powerful target for their expertise. The revenue generated by these new products must be reinvested to help Pharmaniaga's financial health. Next will be on the strengths, threats. There are 2 strengths that can be aligned with 2 threats. Strength number 1. Demand changes can be aligned with diversified product portfolio. Pharmaniaga's wide range of products, which is a plus in stable times, can be tactically used to offset the risk of varying demand. In essence, Pharmaniaga can use its diverse product portfolio as a shield to fend off the effects of changing consumer tastes and maintain its position as the industry. Strength number 2. Government support and partnerships can be aligned with competition from larger international pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaniaga must actually negotiate a challenging environment that is characterized by solid government backing, strategic alliances, and the imminent threat of competition from bigger global firms. Using current alliances with top pharmaceutical companies and the Malaysian government for strategic assistance is the key. Pharmaniaga can transform its strengths into a powerful shield against its competitors by embracing internationalization through strategic assistance from the government and proactive partnership development. Lastly, will be on the weaknesses, threats. There are 3 weaknesses that can be aligned with 3 threats that has to be addressed. Weakness number 2, reliance on generic drugs. With the threat demand changes. Due to their reliance on low margin generics, Pharmaniaga has little protection against demand changes, which could result in large revenue losses, a decline in their market share, and financial hardship. So, Pharmaniaga should think creatively and invest in research and development to produce new medications and therapeutic solutions in order to reduce this risk. Weakness number 3, past financial difficulties with threat number 3, which is economic slowdowns. Concerns are raised regarding Pharmaniaga's ability to withstand future economic downturns due to its previous financial instability, which was evidenced by its inclusion on the PN17 watchlist. Pharmaniaga should increase efficiency in costs and diversify its revenue sources and use its financial reserves as safety nets against market downturns. Weakness number 5, low investment with threat supply chain disruptions. Pharmaniaga is in a precarious situation where the threat of supply chain disruptions must be balanced with the company's recent financial strength due to a record net loss. Pharmaniaga can lessen the effects of possible supply chain disruptions by using its available investment funds to diversify the sources of raw materials, create inventory buffers, and put technology-driven solutions into practice.
We'll continue with strategic recommendation. The first is corporate level strategy. We suggest to choose retrenchment strategy and focus on turnaround strategy, specifically on consolidation. It is a critical point for organization facing the double challenges of monopoly and bankruptcy. Company can find important turning point in a well-executed consolidation phase. Pharmaniaga can take an action by first diversifying revenue sources through strategic market expansion. By carefully diversifying their market and product offering, company can mitigate risk and strengthen its foothold in dynamic business landscape. And the second is build synergic partnership, because it can further enhance competitiveness, while targeted investment in technology and equipment upgrades will drive cost efficiency and market relevance. And for business level strategy, company can choose either to cooperate and compete with competitors. In the case of Pharmaniaga, it is recommended for them to cooperate and establish strategic alliances with competitor by looking at their issues such as bankruptcy. Mutual service consortium, joint venture, licensing agreement, and value chain partnership are the option to build strategic alliances. Cooperating with competitor can reduce costs, sharing risk, increase efficiency, leading to mutual benefit for all parties involved, which hopefully can recover in the condition of Pharmaniaga. And in terms of functional level, there are 3 sectors that need for improvement, including the first is financial. Due to their issues of bankruptcy and delayed payment to supplier, Pharmaniaga should improve its operational management by evaluating streamlined production process, optimizing inventory, and implementing quality control measures to reduce waste of high operation costs and improve efficiency. In terms of research and development strategy, Pharmaniaga has experienced cases on unsold vaccine, which is why it is crucial for them to improve product quality and customer trust. Building brand recognition is a key factor in this process, which can be achieved through customer education and selling high-quality product to instill confidence in buyer. And the last, in terms of marketing, in marketing strategy, Pharmaniaga can do market development strategy by expanding its business by selling existing product in new market or geographical area. The choice of market entry mode can vary ranging from direct or indirect export to forming partnership and alliances. In order to successfully develop new market within existing countries, Pharmaniaga must implement different pricing policies, packaging option, and product dimension to cater the different customer preferences. That's all from our group. Thank you.